Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna try this one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. All right, let me get some soft music going here. A little bit of lo-fi to ease my brain. I kind of like this short here. Oops, one second. All right, let's turn that down a little bit. Okay. Everything is not in streamer mode all of a sudden. Trying some data. Actually, is this the right browser? Yeah, it's the right browser. Alright, I'm right here in front of you guys. I am making a list. Alrighty, guys. Welcome to one of my... No, this is my first New York live stream. I kind of like this short right here. And I'm going to place... Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see here. Let's post for Instagram. You know what? We'll wait. It's pretty early in the day. Yeah, we'll wait. Let me see if I can get the link for this. Alright, first time streaming, and this is as hard as everyone says. So I have nothing in place right now. But trying it out anyway. Okay, what we got here? What we got? So for now, we're just going to pay attention to the 5 minute. The 5 minute would suggest that we want to go lower, but I'm not too sure yet. Oh God, I don't have my... Please have the correct fib. Oh my God, why is the different browser? I'm using a different browser and my fib settings aren't here. Okay, that's not good. And we're starting to get that bounce down now that I was looking for. Oh man. And there goes the short I was looking for. I'm still going to wait though. Still going to wait. Very early in the day, and I'm already in profit for the day. Not trying to really do anything, really. This has got to be fixed though. I should take care of all of this off stream. All right. Let me do this on the other screen here. 1 second as I get my life in order. Let's make this red. Let's make this green. Don't need this. I think we don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, don't need this. I think we don't need this. Don't need this. Alright. I can't believe I have to do this over. And there goes, we're shorting now. Da, da, da. This hurts that I gotta do this right here. Let's make this green as well, so now everything is green. 618 is using my entry. Alright. Trend line off. Prices level background. Oh boy. Bow. Trend line, yeah, because that's really gonna bother me because I gotta fix that. Literally have to. Now I just gotta make these lines thinner. And boom, Bob's your uncle. Hold up, 618. Oh, I have this in reverse. This should be green. This should be green. And 1 should be red. All right, that looks better. That looks better. Let me see. Cool. Cool. All right, what we got here? Yeah, I want to remain bearish, honestly, guys. Want to remain bearish, but we're not getting exactly bearish action right now. So we'll wait. We will wait. So if anybody's new to the stream, I don't know if anybody's looking or listening, but thanks for being here. New streamer here. I'm literally doing this for accountability because I suck at it. And something's got to change. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. So I'm here out in the open, out in Publix, looking, watching, waiting, all that good stuff. So do not, in fact, let me put that right now. Actually, do not copy me. Do not. Do not copy trade me. I suck. There we go. Do not copy trade me. I suck. Bold here. Bow. 24. Yeah. Let's make it 20. Boom. I might just change up this this music as well. Most likely will. Oh, and I might gotta actually start speaking up too. I forgot about that. Gotta actually speak up. All right. I'm getting up there once again. All right, I'm gonna change up this music actually. Bear with me, guys. a little bit better. Okay, we're streaming live. All mistakes will be shown. Alright, so judging by this structure, the 1 minute wants to push up, but the 5 minute doesn't want to push up. It's really weird. Did I have an entry here? No. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Nah, that's nickel and diamond price. I'm good. Put the wax on. Can't put the wax on, Daryl. Can't put the wax on. Gotta stay, what's the word I'm looking for? Gotta stay neutral. Gotta stay copyright free. You know what I mean? What's weird is that I can't respond to chat in OBS. I'm using OBS to stream right now, but it's asking me to sign in. Every time I sign in, it goes to open browser. I open the browser and it's like it leads me to another damn window. I don't want that. That's weird, but sure. Make sure that this disclaimer is right there. George Dubia? Is that somebody that I can put on? George W. Oh, W. Oh, okay. Okay, that was a dumb moment by me. Okay, a lot of nothing right now. I really can't do nothing in this. I'd rather not put my coins at risk here, so yeah, we're just gonna hang out for a second. As the market tries to give me a little bit of direction here. This wouldn't have been a bad play. All right, prices. Did we get our 15-minute yet? Price is suggesting that it wants to keep going higher, but I'm not looking for a long right now. I'm technically want to remain short, even after all this nonsense right here. So we're gonna wait, boys and girls. We're gonna wait. It's technically a bullish engulfing on the 5. Kind of don't want to just long up here though. It's looking decent, but I don't want to play nothing right now. EMAs on a 30 seconds suggest higher. 1 minute suggests higher. 5 minute is being very stubborn. These are not conflicting right now. Normally I would take this bullish engulfing, but 3 minutes into it. Yeah. I just don't see a reason why I would want to go higher from here, so I'm not going to take it. Yeah, not going to take this one, guys. Not going to take this one. Don't know whether because I'm scared or what, but this 5 minute moving average is really suggesting that it wants to go lower. And I have a rule of not trading against this. I have a big rule of not trading against it. So if this one leaves, it'll leave. But if I was in, I would have did something like this. Yeah, I would have tried to do something like that. See if we could break into that new high. If I was in, but I'm not in. Not in that one, not in that one. Ooh, that looks pretty decent though. Yeah, see how price is just kind of waffling about. Alright, back at that entry point. Yeah, 200 is kind of acting like VWAP, I suppose. I mean, it's not an A+ setup. It's just not an A+ setup. I'm already in profit. There's no need to test or push the waters here, in my opinion. So we will wait. We shall wait. We will not engage in the chop. I refuse to. In the meantime, let's check. We got any news or whatever? We should be free of news today. Yeah, everything kind of happened at 8:30. 8:40 was oh, Powell talked at 8:40 today. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at the heat map real quick. Heat map is red. Yeah, stocks are kind of red here. And boom, would have got stopped out on that one. So accountability is already playing together. Already. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Stop would have been hit. I would like to play this to the downside. I'm kind of bearish, but I have no entry model to go short right now. So just a lot of chop, a lot of conflicting nonsense right now. There we go. That's that. That's the flush I was looking for. And this is the part where I would be upset because I didn't get what I want. Blah blah blah. We're starting to close below the moving averages here. So I kind of want to look for a short setup. It's the 15-minute thing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the 15-minute is confusing as fuck. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. And I am at work, guys, so if I do need to like run, don't take it personally. but I am technically at work, and I do need to tend to the actual business. No fair value gap right there. And a whole lot of rejection. We will wait until price makes up its mind. That fair value gap is kind of sticking out in my mind's eye though. Was it a 30 second? Oh god, it was a 30 second. Yeah, that's kind of coming out into my mind's eye. Nothing I want to play though. 1 minute looks a little bit better. But we do not play fair value gaps by themselves anymore. Alright, would this be your quote unquote data low? Yeah, we already took the high out. If you are there though, thanks for hanging out. Is this the part where I say like, comment, subscribe? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, or like, subscribe. This is the live stream. Literally not expecting anything from this. But I would like to build some type of accountability and some type of consistency. So let's see if we want to tag this data low. Yeah, everything is chop shop right now, guys. We are chopping about, waffling about. Not really too much to do here. I would love to short, but I have no model to short, and I kind of have a feeling that by the time we get down to levels that that I'm targeting, we're already going to just take it without me getting in. So yeah, this is tough. Let's take a look at what the gold is doing. Gold is living her best life, making every high possible after being bearish last night. Yeah, so gold extending higher kind of supports my theory for shorts on NQ. But nothing right now. ES is probably just... ES is interesting. ES looks like it's setting up for a long. Shit. Shit. Okay. And that's why we don't play fair value gaps by themselves anymore. I mean, to be fair, it's usually the one on top. You'll probably see this getting respected for a second, if we are bearish. Now this one seems like a better thing, and yep, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Usually that top one. Disrespect this one and go a little bit higher. You know, that was a beautiful reaction out of that zone right there. I'm not in that right now. Yeah, just flying the TP at the moment. You're 1 to 2. If you would have got that entry, would have been something like that. Would have been an instant 1 to 2. but I can't play around right here. But the 5 minute, I'm really liking the 5 minute for a short, and I'm not going to get the entry model I want probably. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's just too messy. It's just too messy. But yeah. That would have been the short right there, even though the moving averages are going against it. Short would have been beautiful. Here are the list they give. Please compare the two and see if I'm missing anything. All right, just doing a little bit of work stuff right here. And if price doesn't really give me nothing, I'm kind of happy with not trading this. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with not trading this right here. And right back into that range, sitting on hands. Looking away at the moment, guys. Need to do something at work. And right back up. Nothing too exciting. Man, I swear to God, I'm about to start trading gold. I swear on everything, gold is about to get my number. Alright, looking away, guys. Gotta do a little bit of work stuff. Probably about 2 minutes or so. So I'm gonna come back to NQ. And look at that, right back up. Right back up. Yeah, let me just put this right there. Yep, a whole lot of range, guys. A whole lot of range. A whole lot of range. A whole lot of range. If you like what you're seeing, I do not know why, but give the stream a like anyway, though. I don't like what I'm seeing, but servers that will be patched this cycle for transparency. Yeah, I got nothing, guys. I really got nothing here. Price has not been pricing lately. Yeah, I really got nothing. All right, I'm back. I'm looking at the charts and nothing. Nothing. Wick here, wick here, wick here, wick here, wick here, wick here, wick here. I'm glad I'm not desperate for a trade today, because holy shit. If you are trading this, good luck. But Lord, have mercy. Yeah, this is yeah, I don't know. It's just like we're gonna go from range to range. Range to range, range to range. I have literally nothing here, guys. I have nothing. Maybe if I was paying attention, I could have played this little bullish engulfing right here. But, I mean, look at what we're doing now. Yeah, so this is I'm not gonna lie, this is ugly. This may be even, well, it's not worse than yesterday. It's definitely not worse than yesterday. Yesterday we were just, what's this? No, what time was it? Yeah, this right here. Yeah, this, and I traded this nonsense too, which is why I'm down on my account technically. I traded this, and this is blow your account weather. This is some shit that I probably don't want to say it in public type shit. Like this is a no burger. So yeah, so we're going to, I'm gonna be honest, guys. This is really ugly. I might come back in PM session, but I'm going to start building some calluses to not trade, and just like look at this. But I literally can't do anything here, at least not yet. We're inversing the fair value gap, guys. Look at that. Look at that inverse. Look at that inverse. And it'll tap back into this so we can go lower, because it's an inverse fair value gap. Everybody who don't know, I still use some ICT concepts, but just not a lot. So if I was trading ICT, I guess this inverse fair value gap, maybe I could take it on the practice account. Practice account. Practice account. Practice account. Practice account.
Order filled.
Practice account. Practice account. Practice account. Watch this be the one that runs too. Watch. Motherfucker. Yeah, you little bitch. Yeah, if I would need this 5 minute to close first, which is about to close actually. Huh? Of course it's working, because why wouldn't it work? You're in the practice account. Of course it's gonna work. All right, guys. We're gonna see what we can do here. The 5 minutes still looks like it wants to be bearish. I want to see if we get these. Of course we're going lower. 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 Let's let this 5 minute close first, and let's see what we can do. Now we are at the bottom of this range once again. We are at the bottom of this range once again. And of course, practice account is going stupid. I would have closed this by now, actually. 150 in a couple minutes. Yes, sir. All right, and the 5 minutes probably not going to retrace anywhere. It's probably just going to dump. Not gonna lie, I kind of like that. I need a bigger retracement though. If it leaves, it leaves, guys. If it leaves, it leaves. Because we are at the bottom of this range right here. We could just range right back up. But if it leaves, it leaves. Really not trying to press the issue here. Yep. Oh, you gotta love it. Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it. Alright, we're coming back into here. We got anything on the 1 minute? No. Just longing, shorting at the bottom of this range is just too scary, guys. SMAs don't look like it really wants to do it. And I'm kind of content with not banging my head against the wall with this. Oh boy. 15 second looks good. 30 second is less than stellar. So let's see if this is the bullish engulfing that I want. We engulfed the previous 3 candles actually. But do we have the mustard to get down here? I don't know. Yep. Yeah. Go ahead and prove my idea right. There it goes. 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 Yeah, we're probably coming to get this, guys. We're probably going to come and get that data low. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Shorting at the bottom of this range. I'm pretty sure somebody caught this. It just wasn't me. I know someone caught this. Someone caught this. I know they did. I know someone caught this. Let's see if Tyler caught it. I don't know. Beautiful. So my entry probably would have been something down here if I wanted to play this 30-second. Probably could have did something like that for a little bit of mustard. And Darcy blows. All right. Well. Hey. That's trading, guys. Right idea in the practice account. Right idea in the practice account. Never trade against the SMAs. Never trade against the SMAs. Like I said, I wanted to be short. Finally got my short confirmation. Didn't take it. And look at where we're at now. And we can't just hop in because that'll be chasing price. But I'd be really surprised if we didn't come and tag this. So, damn. It just wasn't A+, guys. It was A, but it wasn't A+. I guess I was kind of scared today too. Yeah, I was a little bit hesitant to get back profit for the day. But this was out of the playbook though, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely should have been in this short, but it's okay. Oh damn. I did not notice that. My bad. Hold up. Not sure how. Alright, where we at? Alright, that 5 minute must have closed by now. Yeah. Alright, it's looking good for lower, guys. It's looking pretty good for lower. The question is, did anybody catch that besides myself in practice? I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys, it's real hard to just watch this go down. This is really hard. This is really hard. Alright, so nobody called it for real, because price was just too ugly. Guys, those the breaks. The 1 minute just refuses to support me here. 30-second looks good, but I can't just short right here. Let me see. It might be an SBS setting up here. Make this smaller. Wow, I can't type right now. There we go. No, last one. And Darcy blows. 1, 2. Here's your 3. And here's your 3. The real question is, where do you draw your fib? I kind of like this. 3, but I don't think this is going to retrace. I don't think we're going to catch this one. 1, 2, 3. I would need price to come like all the way back up here somewhere. Go back over here. Oh boy, well, ICT won today. ICT won today. Get rid of some of this scribble right here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, if we could come back up to this level, but then we're back in the range. Yeah, I think we're just gonna, we should just dump here, guys. We'll probably just dump. To which I'll just have to eat that. It's so ugly right here, man. It's about to break. It'll probably break. Most likely break. Wait, or not. Find some buyers here. 1, 2, 3. The real question is, how far up does it want to go? It could just touch this 20 and then just like die. It's 1040. Yeah. Is it worth the coins? Is it worth the coins? Yeah, if we'll get a pop back above here, I might try to short. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the 20 is really pushing this thing down. But we're gonna follow rules, and if it just goes, it goes. All right, well, now we just need bears to kind of come back. Maybe extend to my original idea right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and getting our 5 here. But now we're just back in the range, and I don't know how strong bulls want to be right now. So we would need that same push back down that we got beforehand to get me back into into a short here. 5 minute fair value gap right there too. And let's go ahead and mark that out. It's very, very wishy-washy today, guys. Very wishy-washy. A lot of stuff I don't really like to see. And there goes your bears before not hitting the fair value gap though. This is kind of like what I want to see. All right, see setup, take setup. I'm gonna try to short here. I'm kind of wondering why I didn't hit that fair value gap though. That's a little on the weird side. Oh, it did. Okay. All right, guys. See setup, take setup.
Order filled.
I'm in short. I am in the shorts. Let's put stop around somewhere right there. Risking about $100 here. And I'm gonna get rid of this. And of course we want to pull back up. Maybe this is our 4 and 5 is about to sweep us right now. I will give this another shot if this fails. Kind of don't like this right now. Alrighty.
Order filled.
I'm gonna close that for right now. Minus probably about $50 right there. Oh, $70, Jesus. Okay, well, got faked out. We'll try this one more time if we get confirmation. Other than that, I will be out for the day. Dang, that was more than what I wanted to give up. Yeah, we are continuing the push higher here. We are really strong right here too. Like how far, like this, how far is this gonna go? Like, I do not know. All right, willing to give this one more shot here. If not, we'll just not do anything. Yeah. All right, I need to see some aggression here though, guys. Need to see some aggression here. All right, starting to break down just a little bit. I'm willing to give this another shot. But it can't be preemptive. Oh man. All right, little squeeze up there, instant rejection. What does price want to do? And look at the 200 just completely sideways. All right.
Order
Let me
filled.
give that another shot there, guys. And if that doesn't work, then I'm just out for the day. And it looks like I might be out for the day. Might be wrestling with the Bears here. Okay. Well, See, this is the shit that I hate. Like, you'll see it perfectly on the practice account, then you start putting an actual trade on, and it just does the exact opposite of what you want to happen. I'll extend this a little bit more, but that's all I can give it. Wow, Andre. Oh boy. Wow. All right, I'm closing.
Order filled.
Okay, well, I'm done for today. That's just not seeing it correctly. Just not seeing it correctly. This is ridiculous. Just from one end of the range to the next is absolutely insane. Yeah, look at those. How much I lose there? Pretty much my entire gains from last night. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I might stop trading New York. Like, this is ridiculous. New York has not been doing me any favors. For the past several weeks, New York has been really getting on my nerves. For the past several weeks. I do like this short here, though. This is what I wanted at first. Oh my gosh. All right.
Order filled.
And that will, okay. All right, $80. If this doesn't come all the way, this should come all the way down here now. Or not. Kind of want to add to this position, honestly. Once again, too early in your trade, Andre. Can we get much higher, or much lower, rather? Can we get much lower? Or are we just going to hit the same range? Yeah, this one is a stop loss or win for me, guys. I kind of want to break even already, but man. It's 5 minutes in. The 5 minutes still is telling me to stay short. And gives it back instantly. Wow. Alrighty. This should hold though. Or not. Kind of liking the rejection.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add into that weakness right there. Really nice if we could just flush on down. Why not playing around with this. Why? Did I get faked out again? Well, boys, it looks like I'm about to take yet another L after I said I was done. Per usual. Per fucking usual, man. Yep. Self-fulfilling prophecy right there. This is nuts. The first trade idea was correct, but we didn't take it. Now we're dealing with this nonsense. What time is 10:50? Oy vey. This is about to engulf. If this closes above here, I almost have no choice but to get out. Guys, what is going on with New York session? New York has really been pissing me off. Like, really. I'm about to be red for today. This is crazy. Guys, there's no way. Yep, that's gone. I could have closed to save a couple bucks, but yeah, this is gone. This is crazy, dog. This is just New York. This is all New York has been doing. Just this range chop fest, bro. Like, how can anybody deal with this? All right.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, that's it for me. I'm getting out.